So I've installed two new generator coils. They are audio crossover coils, 10 millihenries each, with laminated cores, and for some reason this makes the motor run a lot better than when I was using my old ones with solid iron cores and a higher impedance. With these old generator coils, the motor only reached about 1300 RPM, and right now it's running at about 2200 RPM. So it's really big difference, and it's already been running for about 30 minutes, and the coils are just cool to the touch, and so is the transistor. It's not warm at all. It feels cool actually, even the transistor. Exactly like Robert Adams said, if the motor is running correctly. And this is at a 30% duty cycle. So pretty exciting, and yeah, the LEDs are lit up as well. It's very bright in here, so you don't see it as well. And of course, once I have the other two generator coils on there as well, total of 4 generator coils will have a higher voltage. But they are back ordered right now. I'll post an update video once those are in as well. But this is pretty impressive performance so far, so I'm really happy with this. And in case you guys didn't know, I will be presenting on the Energy Science and Technology Conference this year about the Adams motor generator. So if you guys want to see this motor in real life and hear me explain some more about it, then definitely get your tickets now because they're selling out quick. So I hope to see you guys there. Bye bye.